Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a great news here. There is a big news here. So Goldman Sachs is going to hire 2022 graduates and 2023 graduates. So friends, all the details you will be getting in this video. So if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get all the updates very first. Okay, so friends, this is the official website of Goldman Sachs. The link will be given in the description. Okay, so engineering campus hiring program, identifying top talent across India to join the engineering function at Goldman Sachs India. Friends, one thing which I wanted to tell you, so Goldman Sachs pays like anything. Okay, so your package will be somewhat around 25 LPA to 30 LPA. Okay, so Goldman Sachs, they pays really very much well if you get selected, but there will be multiple rounds will be there. So in the next video, we will talk about each and every round of Goldman Sachs. So friends, what is the eligibility criteria? So 2022 new analyst, graduation in 2022. So if you are going to get graduated in 2022, then this job is for you. So full-time hire May June intake. Okay, so if you're going to graduate in 2022, then friends, full-time hiring will be there for you. That means the permanent position, the full-time position will be there for you. 2022 summer internship, if you are going to get graduated in 2023, then also no problem, you will have a internship opportunity. And friends, this internship only will get converted into the full-time opportunity. So for 2022 and 2023, now the season has started. Okay, so internship hiring, okay, April and June intake. So program type, friends, internship and full-time, right? So 2023 we have the internship, and 2022 you have the full-time permanent job. Cities, so the job location which you will be getting in Bangalore and Hyderabad. So when does this applications opens, friend? So application will open from July 22. So you will be able to apply only tomorrow, not today. Okay, so tomorrow we will tell you how to apply each and every step-by-step procedure. So friends, application will start from July 22. So please try from tomorrow, and it will close on August 15th, Independence Day, right? Okay, overview. So the engineering campus hiring program is the firm's initiative to identify and hire top engineering talent from across engineering schools in the country. So friends, Goldman Sachs, I'm telling you, it's if you're very lucky, then only you will be getting into Goldman Sachs, right? So friends, try hard. It's the exams are not very difficult. Even we will be also making the videos on the previous year questions. Okay, right? So friends, program timelines. So your registration starts on July 22 2021 6 p.m. tomorrow. So from 6 p.m. tomorrow you will be able to apply for this job, okay, till 15th of August 11:59 p.m. IST. What will be the assessment, friends? So friends, aptitude test. So Goldman Sachs aptitude test will be held on 22nd of August 2022, and I will tell you. So if you have solved the question of TCS Digital, then Goldman Sachs questions level will be also of same type. We will solve the previous year question. No need to worry about that. Technical test. So technical test first week of October 2021. So first week of October you will get enough time for your technical test. Okay, only for those shortlisted through the aptitude test, right? Interviews. So third week of October 2021, only for those shortlisted through the aptitude and technical test. Friends, aptitude and technical test will not be very difficult, I'm telling you. Okay, we will upload the previous year questions, and then you will be able to realize, but definitely you have to put effort along with us. Eligibility, the program is open to all engineering students in India across pre-final and final year of graduation and post graduation. Okay, so friends, 2022 new analyst, so basically your post will be new analyst, and if you're going to graduate in 2022 full time, okay, same thing they have mentioned here. In the event that Goldman Sachs visit your campus for internship and or full-time recruitment, you are advised to apply directly. So if it visit your college, okay, then you should and must apply directly through your college, okay, respective campus placement. In case of any further question around the program, please write a mail to us or refer the frequently asked question document. Okay, so friends, this is the register button. So from tomorrow you will be able to apply 6 p.m. Okay, so if you click on register, from tomorrow you will be able to apply. Okay, so either for, okay, so you can see, so some details you have to fill it, but please try it tomorrow, right? At what time? 6 p.m. in the evening. So both for full time and the summer analyst. Okay. Now, friends, if you have any question, please put in the comment box. We are always there to help you out with any kind of support you needed. Thank you, friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.